Hey YouTube, what's going on, guys? This is Cheddar Cheese coming back to you again. Um, an interesting note today. I got my iPhone swapped at the Genius Bar today because I was having different issues and things like that. Just having screen issues, non-related to the signal issues and all that stuff. Because, as of course, everybody's getting free Apple bumpers. So, today, when I got it swapped and all that good stuff, I noticed something rather strange on this particular iPhone that just got swapped. The metal band here actually feels a lot different. It's like it's got a special little coating or something on it that, it's hard to describe, but it has a little bit of different texture to it. I've been actually playing around with the usual grip of death of holding it and losing signal bars. So as you can see here, let's see if I can adjust it. There we go. As you can see here, we're not losing any bars holding it. So as I demonstrated in one of my previous videos, is taking one of these little guys and actually placing it on here. Now we're loading up an Apple web page and just seeing if it would overall fail here. See if we can launch up a random bookmark. Page I really haven't gone to in a while, so we'll hit Monday. Let's just go to the UPS tracking site. That's weird that it just came up and said that I wasn't connected to the internet. But we're using 3G, going the same old method as what I was doing before of having the little metal piece on there. It's really, really strange. It just does not want to fail at all. So even if we go to, let's say, the iPhone dev team blog, it says we're not connected. But as you can see here, it is loading up just fine. Now the weird thing is that it only has one bar, but it still works. So I don't know about you guys, but it seems like Apple's actually trying to do something here about the whole signal thing. Hopefully, if you go to an Apple store, you get your phone swapped, it works out for you, but it looks like so far it's working just fine. So I wanted to shoot this out a little bit, just, so people can stop freaking out. Oh my God, the bumper case, it's so nasty. Apple's actually changing the metal band, putting a coating on it. So, anyways, hopefully you guys found this video somewhat useful in any sort of way. So leave questions, comments, I'll answer them. Thanks for watching.